Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today on the platform of MS Lectures, I would be presenting you the very important topic of the biochemistry, which is the signal transduction. So what is signal transduction? It is the, you can say, transfer of the signal across the cell membrane. So whenever our body experiences any kind of change, it releases hormone in order to respond to that change. So hormone cannot cross, you can say directly act on the pKa protein to cause the phosphorylation of the proteins. It has to cross this mechanism in order to reach that pKa protein to cause the phosphorylation of the protein molecules. So what pathway and how does that hormone actually adopt the mechanism in order to cross the cell membrane and to phosphorylize the protein molecules? So we will see. So this is the hormone. So hormone wants to gain entry inside the cell membrane. So what are present here? There are receptors present here which are known as the G protein coupled receptors. So G protein coupled receptors are located on the cell membrane through which the hormone gains the entry. So here these receptors are present and hormone will attach to that protein. So this is the whole G protein coupled receptor, and the hormone will actually activate this protein, and then the hormone will travel to this compound which is known as the G protein complex. This is the G protein complex. So G protein complex consists of the alpha, beta and gamma subunits. So when the signal reaches here, alpha, beta and gamma subunits detach from each other like this, and the function is performed by only this subunit which is known as the alpha subunit. Beta and gamma do not perform any function. Then what happens that this alpha subunit actually activates this protein which is embedded inside the lipid bilayer of the cell membrane, which is known as the adenyl cyclase protein. Adenyl cyclase. So alpha subunit actually activates this adenyl cyclase protein, and during this what happens that the CATP is converted into the CAMP. CAMP. This is the adenosine triphosphate and this is the adenosine monophosphate. So after this what happens that this adenosine monophosphate actually activates the protein known as the pKa. It is actually a compound, pKa compound. So CMP activates this pKa and pKa compounds. This pKa compound consists of the 4 subunits. We will see here. It consists of the 4 subunits. 2 subunits are regulatory and 2 are the catalytic. Regulatory subunits do not perform any type of function, but catalytic subunits do perform function. So what does this catalytic subunits do? These catalytic subunits actually causes the and perform the function of the phosphorylation of protein molecules. Phosphorylation of protein molecules. So this is the ultimate, you can say, the goal of the hormone, to cause the phosphorylation of the protein molecules. So it has to cross this whole mechanism in order to cause the phosphorylation. I would summarize it again that hormone is attached to this G protein coupled receptor, then the signal is transferred across this complex which is known as the G protein complex, and then alpha subunits get detached and activates the another protein known as the adenyl cyclase, during which what happens that the CATP converts into the CMP, and then this CMP activates the pKa, which consists of the 2 catalytic subunits and the 2 regulatory subunits. And during this what happens that only these two catalytic subunits perform the function of the phosphorylation of the protein molecules. So this is the whole mechanism of the signal transduction. Hope you have understood it well, and last but not the least, don't forget subscribing MS Lectures. Thank you.